So it is early August 2020, and I seem to have acquired a bumper that was first made cool about 18 years ago, which is pretty awesome. Straight from June Auto Machine. So let's unbox this shit. Be very careful as to not damage the Ultra JDM box. Ooh. Well packaged. Very well packaged. There's even some hardware there for fitting. Very JDM packaging, as you would expect, because it's from Japan. Well packaged. Like, this thing probably hasn't moved at all. Yeah, there's like no move, no play. Yeah. All right, so this is what you get in the box, and the workmanship is absolutely phenomenal. Like, I have no doubt this is going to fit extremely well. They have the pockets for the headlights correct. All the mounting holes are where the OEM should be. And it even has, all the, and this is perfect for brake ducting. You literally just run hoses from there. It is pretty phenomenal. Pretty cool. It's a little dusty from the manufacturing process, but hey. Oh, man. They even molded the OEM cover correctly, which is something that you never see. Take notes, Duraflex. Yeah, it's really cool to have a piece of automotive history. Well, two pieces actually. There's a second bumper in the garage as well. So this is pretty awesome. I can't wait to put this on next year. Well, we're in my driveway, but it sounds more like the pound because my neighbor's dog doesn't want to shut the hell up. They've been barking for over an hour now. This is just a simple quick detailer with Chemical Guys V7. It smells like oranges, which is cool because I like oranges. Just clean the wheels, cleaned everything. Car's ready to go to JDM Legends car meet tomorrow, so that'll be fun. Nice shine on it. It really pops once you clean it up well. I even cleaned the glass, cleaned the interior. It's really nice. Cleans up well. It's like the first day that I've actually had time to sit down and like detail and properly clean the car. So it's been fun. I'll post a video driving up to that event tomorrow, so that'll be fun. Tune in.
You ever seen the way a 959 is
So Charles was like, okay, fine, I know what we're gonna do. So we took the original hood off, that's hanging in our living room.
what was there?
And did the small all of it.
Mopar division
So these are actual.
did a
This thing is
Odds,
just
you know,
mint.
Old school. Yeah, I did the TCI thing and I'm talking, because, you know, they gave you the mile per hour. Right? The mile per hour, the R6500. And it said my converter's got 12% slip. Yeah, it was really, so I did a little homework on it. Acceptable should be 4 to 60%, maybe 5%. I'm at 12. So,
Turnout was fantastic. I love this Martini car. And the guy actually gets on it pretty frequently.
RUF wheels.
Roof wheels, yeah. Well, that's a nice AP1 S2000. A little bit of everything. Brown Jaguar E-Type. This ridiculously wide Porsche. It does. New Ranger. Old orange Mustang, which is really good condition. And there goes a brand new C8 Corvette. My friend Brian would love this C10. It is immaculate. It's old 30s classic. Oh yeah, they even have their suits on and everything. Maybe gonna go do some organized crime later. Your Nismo windbreaker that you paid $400 for. Gruber.
It's going up in price.
Oh,
But my GC fucking drops in price.
because GC owners are poor and they can't afford the swaps and the 22B they actually want to do. That is the truth. Tom Selleck.
Dude, you should see
It's a Jag.